Tornador ceramic paint correction using Tornador microfiber pads. Thoroughly wash, clay, rinse and dry vehicle before any paint correction. We'll be using the Tornador T21 dual action polisher. Use Tornador ceramic polish and 6-inch Euro microfiber polishing pad. Ceramic polish can be used as a standalone product or as an excellent choice for preparing any vehicle's surface for ceramic coating or detail spray application. Ceramic polish contains fine milled polishing agents to give a consistent cut throughout the buffing cycle, while ceramic material is deposited into the pores of the clear coat. For the final step, use Tornador's ceramic detail spray and 6-inch Euro microfiber finishing pad. Only a couple of sprays per panel are needed for adequate coverage. Ceramic detail spray is one of the easiest ways to get ceramic protection. It can be used as a standalone, with the ceramic polish to aid in removal, or as a ceramic coating booster. It delivers exceptional gloss and slickness to the treated surfaces, along with unparalleled surface protection. Ceramic detail spray can be used wet or dry,